Hey friends, if you encounter the issue where the PowerShell get app package command is not working, then please watch this video. So earlier the get app package command was the main command to get any app package for Windows specific or Microsoft specific software products, which could not be done through any other option. But now that's not the case. So here's what you can do. Search for Microsoft Store in the Windows search bar and open the Microsoft Store. Let's say that you want the Photos app. Okay, so open the Photos app and then go to the Photos app, and I already have it, but if you didn't, then you would have an install option here. Just click on install. But this is a workaround, this is not the solution. So the only solution to this thing is an SFC scan, because it is a system command, and if it is not working, then there is nothing else that you can do except for repairing the system files. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on Run as Administrator. Type the command sfc /scan now and hit enter. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.